back to Marla's World, and in this video, hopefully you can hear me because I have the vent on because I'm in the bathroom. So hopefully you can hear me. Anyways, in this video, I'll just be doing a vlog. So today's my birthday, so I decided to show you what I'm doing for my birthday. I'm not planning on doing anything extra, so... But anyways, I'm still gonna vlog and take y'all along with me. So now I just woke up. I've just got out of bed literally, and I am going to shower and get dressed really fast because I have a doctor's appointment at 8:30, and right now it's like 7:50 or something. So I need to go. Thank God it's like close. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So guys, I'm running pretty late, so I can't really vlog right now, but I'm walking to my car. So anyways, I just grabbed a banana because I'm hungry, and yeah, I'm just gonna go to my car and get on the road and go about my business. I don't put on no makeup or nothing like that. I just wash my face and put some moisturizer on. See, I have a lot of dark spots. If you guys know anything that's really good for dark spots, now let me know, because I need my face to be clear for hot girl summer. Okay? So guys, I made it to the doctor. I'm actually pretty early. Well, I don't know. I feel like they probably open at 8 o'clock or 8:30, but I'm here at 8:23. My appointment is at 8:30, so I'm just gonna wait until like 5 minutes to try to go in, because I'm a new patient, but I'm not so much of a new patient because I've been to the hospital on a whole like several times, so they kind of have my record and file and stuff already. So yeah, but anyways, yes, I'm seeing a new doctor. Guys, make sure you get your physical every year. I'm just going in for like a new patient visit first, because you have to do that before you do your physical, and because I'm new, then I have to do that. So if I was a regular patient, then I wouldn't have to schedule a new patient appointment, obviously. But yeah, so I'm here and I'm gonna do that, and I will let you guys know how it goes. If I like her, I think she's nice. We'll see. Hopefully she's nice. She's an APRN, so she's not a doctor, but she could pretty much do everything. Like, yeah, she could write a prescription and all that stuff. So it's like an advanced nurse. At my old clinic, I had one of those, and I really liked her. Maybe I liked her because she was black and she was cool, but I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Actually, guys, I have to show you when I get home. I am gonna show you the cake that I did. I baked it last night because I want to do a cake for my birthday. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh snap! Damn it! There's somebody next to me, and I think they're hearing me. But anyways, who cares? I think he just looked at me like I'm vlogging. Oh no, he's exercising and minding his own business. Like, I think. I don't know, but anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna show you the cake that I did when I get home, and we'll see. I actually have to get back to work, but I need to stop to the supermarket after this appointment because I need to get something to put on the little table that the cake usually goes on, because if I don't have it on there, then it's like just on the little table, and I don't really want that. I kind of want to have a little layer, so hopefully I do find one. If not, then I'm doomed, but it's okay. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm like so happy. So I wanted this test done, right? So that's one of the main reasons I came to, but I need to get my physical done anyways, so I scheduled my appointment for my physical, and I need to build a relationship with like my doctors because I like to do that. So anyways, she was able to do it, and I'm like so excited. Yeah, I will definitely be sticking with her because like she listens and she hears you, and she makes it known that she hears you, because your concern becomes her priority, and I like that. I really like that. So I like her. So I'm excited. Okay, great birthday gift to myself. So now I gotta schedule my appointment for whatever I wanted to do. Hey, so yes, So I need to get my blood work done and all that stuff. Then I need to come back for my physical and all that stuff. So hey, but anyways, so now I get to go home, so I need to get back to work. So that's what I'm gonna do. But first I'm gonna stop at the store. So see you at the store. I'm trying to see if I can find the thing that I'm looking for, and I'm not seeing it. This is cool. I could put it on this, but it's for pizza. But that's a good idea, because then if I ever make pizza, then I'll have this. But I think I have one like that at home. You can't even see me, guys. I should have brought my mic, because I'm not sure if you guys are hearing me, but I got this because they didn't have what I was looking for. So I got this, and now I'm going home and I'll show you the cake. So yeah, I want to see my car. You already know my car. So yeah. Yes, I'll be looking, because people be looking at me low-key. So I am home, so I'm about to go inside. I need to wash my hair, because the gel, it keeps getting stuck at the front of there. So if you see why my hair is not, my hair is dirty, it's just the gel. But yeah, I need to go in. So now I am home, and I am going to eat breakfast. That is the cake I was talking about. Yeah. What should I have for breakfast? I don't know. I don't know what I should have for breakfast. I bought this because I was like, this has to be really good. And I think I'm gonna actually have this with eggs and bread. So let's see. Apparently, bread. So bread, hot chocolate, eggs. I like organic eggs, and I'm gonna scramble the eggs with. I'm not gonna use any cheese today, so I'm just gonna scramble. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm gonna call this cookie and cream strawberry vanilla cake. So the cake is falling apart. It looks like a cracked foundation. Oh my gosh. I put this at the bottom. I should have took it off because it didn't serve a purpose, because I couldn't find the thing that I needed to put at the bottom with the cardboard thing. I couldn't find that, so I try to improvise. Bad idea. But yeah, it doesn't look that bad. This is actually pretty good compared to the last one. So now I'm going to cut it. Guys, it is so nice outside. All I'm wearing is this thin jacket because it's really nice. Out of breath. Oh, the cake, it didn't came out perfect, but it tasted good, so I think that's all that matters. And I have a guest. So my ex popped up, and now I'm gonna drop him home. So I'll see you when I'm going to get ice cream because I'm excited for my ice cream. Guys, so it's still April 13th, aka it's still my birthday, and I'm at my mom's right now. I'm waiting on, oh, you can see the battery in my car, whatever. But anyways, yeah, I'm at my mom's. I'm waiting on her to come downstairs to get ice cream. Guys, let me tell you, Jamaicans, they don't know time. I told her I'm gonna be out here 5 o'clock or before, so she needs to be down, and she not ready. So let's hope she comes down on time because I need to get my ice cream and I need to go home and I need to watch All American. So yes, that's my plans for the rest of the night. But let me tell y'all something. So I'm there in my room on my computer working. Then you hear knock knock. I'm like, because I already knew it was my ex, right? Then I'm like paused, silent, and I knock. Not like again. I'm silent. So you know what? I'll go to the window and he's out there. So then I use my phone and I call them, right? So I'm like, why are you here? Apparently he took the bus to come see me because his car is in the garage shop. But that's not a point. He took the bus to come see me, right? For my birthday. Mind you, I done told them I don't want to see him. I'm single, I'm free, and I'm living my best life, right? Like, what if I had another boyfriend over there? I probably wouldn't, or maybe I wouldn't. But anyways, that's not the whole point. But anyways, it's like, how you gonna just show up like that? Like, I understand if like you haven't seen your somebody you're in a relationship with, right, in a very long time, and you go see them. But I don't understand him. Like, we're not together at all. And he shows up. And the worst part is that he doesn't, like I said, he doesn't have a car. So you know what? I had to drop him home because like the Uber was like $50 something, $40 something. And I'm like, I have to pay that? Like that's a lot. So I just did what I had to, and then I brought him home. And I'm petty, so because he showed up to my house unannounced on my birthday for birthday, you know what? And I'm like, first of all, it's not even his birthday. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, and this is a rant, yes, because I'm upset. Like, what if like he ruined my birthday or something? So okay. So after that, I dropped him home, and he wanted me to drop him on the main road. But I was like, you know what, I'm not dropping him on the main road. I'm gonna drop him right at his mama's door so that she could see, and hopefully she tells him not to come see me no more because she don't like me. So hopefully she do something. She been wanting him all this time we've been together, so we're not together. So keep your son in check, right? You would think so. But yeah, anyways, my mom is here, so we gotta go. So guys, I just got home and I'm gonna end the video right here. That was my rant, and that was my day. I didn't do anything special. I got the ice cream. I forgot to vlog that part because I was busy talking to the lady as they're selling the ice cream farm. So I'm a little bit sad about that. Not a little bit, I'm a lot sad about that. But I didn't get my ice cream. I got myself a cone. You can see it's melting. I got coconut and grape nut in this one. And then I also got myself a quart of ice cream. It has rum raisin and grape nut ice cream in there. So yeah, I'm going in to watch All American and eat some food, and then I'm gonna have more ice cream. What else? Oh, I'm gonna edit this video and post it like hopefully right now. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending my birthday with me, even though it wasn't anything special. I just did a simple old vlog. There's a fly and he's on the window, in the windshield. Oh my gosh. But anyways, yes, so thank you guys for spending my birthday with me. So yeah, all I did, doctor's appointment, work, cake, ice cream, and back home just watch TV. Guys, don't forget to let me know what I can use to clean up my dark spots, because I don't really like them, and I don't like always wearing makeup because makeup is too much work, and makeup makes me really tired. It just drains me. So yes, I'm not always gonna be wearing makeup like all the time. So Karen, don't make up here for me. Yes, so I guess I will see you guys in the next video. So bye guys, love y'all.